Okay, so yeah, yeah, I got a bit late because needed to fix a few problems, meaning that I had to deal with first with passkeys, and I mean that thing still doesn't work, by the way. But yeah, overall, I tried to fix some passkeys. TLDR is I need a cable. I can't manage it through my KVM. There's like just too much work. And it's quite unrealistic. But anyway, I'm still back on CacheOS. Even though I'm not sure exactly on what to do. Because yeah, I finally plugged my second monitor and I'm very happy because I have something very good working and cool. At the same time, yeah, at the same time, I'm losing my words. Okay, let me just do this. But yeah, no, I have second monitor. Issue is I don't know how to hop from the window management system of it. But I guess we'll manage. I don't know. Okay. Let me just do a quick thing for now. I just want to be sure that... Oh, wow. There's quite a good chunk. Okay. There's quite a good chunk of stuff here. Yeah, I don't really know where to put my stuff. Oh, wait. No, I know. Here. Git Z, have Z. Okay, so now if I do code, troubleshoot, and then cd, and then Z. Oh, wait, no, I need something else. Oh, yeah, of course. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, code, troubleshoot. Okay, back. Oh. Wait, how does it work again? Yeah, I forgot which Z. I guess I used the other one. I love how we have several Z's. Oh, no, I know. It's because yeah, it's because I have this one. So I need probably to source this one. Never mind. Let's see, plugins and plugins. Hey, let's close it. Let's reopen it. Okay, I have Z. Cool. Doesn't work, but that's fine. Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah, I just wanted a bit of that because I actually was looking into how to getting a few things fixed. Right, how do I move a thing again? Is it 2? No, that's not 2. Okay, I'm messing up things now. Okay, that's not what I want. Yeah, because here, as you can see, I'm on desktop 1. I mean, workspace 1, I think is a better word. Okay. Okay. And now I moved things to 3. Okay, and that's interesting because then I have 1, 3, and I guess if I have something else, and if I move it to 4, okay, that's not what I thought, how I thought it would work. Interesting. Cursor still jumps where I want it. Okay. I mean, okay, yeah, we'll just roll with that. Okay. So yesterday I was trying to do my thing in terms of code with mumble. I never been in mumble. Yeah, not this one. Keys to mumble server. Okay, cool. And this one, I think we have it already actually. Yeah, there's no point having this one extra. I already have it. Okay. Yeah, overall, I only need a few things. I need to switch to my registrar and have something there, so that way I could have the whole thing working in terms of having the subdomain. And then yeah, I could probably have a working mumble. That's also spent some time working on some other stuff because I knew I was quite there. I'm curious about my usage, by the way, because I used it a little yesterday and I'm at 3% on the 20 euro plan. Okay, that's cool. It's very nice. Okay, so let me go back to the terminal. So that's going to be mumble, and here shitty. Wait. Oh yeah, and here we say it's H public. And this is where I need my key pass. Okay. This is also where I need to go, yeah, downtown with my desktop and have it done. Okay. All right. Let me type this and then I'll come back. So here I am. Sorry. Yeah, the logistics of it. Yeah, because I will need the switch key for the rest. Um, wow, that was a fail. Why? Okay, that works. Okay. So yesterday I saw that I overall need to pass. Why? My current to-do list gonna be about. Oh yeah, because overall I have a few things. Wait, let me bring it here. That will show you. So overall, yeah, I need to point my DNS at the thing. The directory I already copied the code there. Then I need to fill a few variables so that way we can be sure that the password for my people works well. And then firewalls where it's gonna be as simple as just saying, okay, don't get to access things that are outside of the specified ports. I mean, of course, yeah, on that VPS, I think I have failed to ban and a few things like that. But hey, you know, some extra ports being closed, that's always welcome. And then, yeah, then just start the thing and then see if, yeah, I mean, the super user password will not be necessary. And then I can just check the domain and connect with the client. So yeah, that's the idea for today. But yeah, I was mostly double checking so that with Porkbun I could use some API keys so that way I could have HTTPS already. I mean TLS, so that way we don't have any error or warning and any man in the middle kind of thingy. But yeah, I think so far should be good. Wait, by the way, because I'm curious about a few things. I was mostly curious if I play a few sounds, if the sounds gonna be in the stream. I guess they are not. Yeah, because the idea is I set a few things, so now I'm also in. Wait, I have some music playing, so that probably doesn't help. I'm mostly just curious if the sound that comes from my capture card is captured and sent into my streaming machine. The idea is to see if Elgato is sending the audio properly, which I don't know. Wait, what did I just do? Oh wow, what did I just do? So let me just quickly check that. Yeah, because apparently I don't hear a sound. I mean, it's also the sound gonna probably be maybe on the stream once I hear it after. But I have HDMI audio, so that should be good. We can see my video high with my camera, so that works as expected. Um, mm, was rechecking a few toggles. Oh, but that's going to be for the recording. Okay. Okay, wow. Okay, so that's the HDMI color range, which you can straight see an impact in terms of okay, yeah. Wow, the how do you call it? Wow, I'm losing all my words. Wait, let me show you well what I'm checking. Because I want to check the color range. So this one is a shrinked one, while here I'm gonna switch to expand. Okay, yeah, and the image is quite more vibrant and popping. It's not even about contrast, it's more about the wait, how do you call it? The difference between the lows and the ups. Not I mean more highlights and more deep blacks. Man, I'm forgetting everything today. I guess the heat doesn't really help. um right. Yeah, okay, so this one I can hear the audio. That's cool. But this one, wait, can I hear some audio? Probably need to click on something. And I'm not sure I can hear any audio, unfortunately. Okay, now I definitely can't see nothing. I messed up something. My bad. Let me bring it back, hopefully. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. The thing looks like it's recording sound. I'm really not sure where it is recording any sound. Supposed to come from the HDMI audio, which oh, maybe I'm stupid. Maybe it's yeah, okay. Maybe I know because I don't have the music, so uh but that's not the music I want because that's gonna be into my computer. Test, test, test. Oh wait. Okay, wow, it's coming on my wait, where is it coming from? It's literally coming from my monitor. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, because I'm connected in HDMI. So yeah, I have a capture cord that goes from the PC and that goes, the in goes into the capture cord, the USB-C goes into the macOS, and then the out, aka the monitoring, goes into the monitor. And currently I'm checking the OSD for the settings that, yeah, would be hard to showcase. But the whole thing is just to say that the since the HDMI is coming from the is monitoring through the entire workflow, that means that the sound is pretty much coming in the monitor, I guess. Let me play it again. Oh, never mind. I was a liar. That's not where it comes from. It actually comes into my speakers. Okay, so that comes into my open back headphones, which in this case, I'm not really sure why. Um, I mean, no, I get it. It's because... Okay. Okay. So now I don't hear nothing. At the same time, makes sense because I chose high definition audio control, digital stereo. Wow. No clue what's happening, honestly. Okay. So since I don't really know there, maybe the easier part would be to just take a jack and wire that one. Okay. Okay. Let's maybe do it after. So, ta-ta-da. Let's connect into Porkbun. I've got the domain, .com. I will quickly skip to my face, so that way I can log in. And I mean, that is if I can get the challenge. The captcha. Okay, no, we're good. Okay. Yeah, we have a funky setup. Okay, so yeah, just mostly wanted to connect to my thing. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I wanted to double check the kind of record, but in the end here, I'm gonna just do voice and keep it simple. So that way I have something working in terms of... Wait, host. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just need to add my public IP. I mean, I could share that. Doesn't really... It's not like a private secret or anything. It's mostly that I have a few other domains that I probably want to keep for myself. Okay. Okay. Back. And then we could do TNV. Let me pick this, paste all of that, and then we don't really need this one. This one I'll check after the users. I mean, this one, you know, we can just have test for now. Doesn't really matter. I don't use email, and in this case, I'm gonna just do voice kisu. And Okay. Okay. Right, so I'm confused because yeah, I'm not a huge expert in terms of DNS challenges. I read a bit about it, but wait, how do I do HTTP 01? Okay. Okay. Let's go with that. So now that we're done with this, we could wait, that's 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I need to move it. Probably can do it here. Yes. And this one, what do we have? Oh, we have nothing yet, true. How we pushed it. And you're gonna ask me for my GitHub key, which makes sense. Okay, and then we can rsync, say public mumble server. And now mumble server didn't forward the key. Why? I probably know why. Wait, no, I actually don't. What? Um, yeah, it's weird. I expected the thing to just ship everything to the server, but I guess now we don't have everything. Weird. Doesn't skip dot files. Okay, I'm not really sure I get it. Oh wait, no, I need to have a asterisk. Okay, makes sense. I mean, still okay. Makes sense. It was there probably already. Yeah, okay, interesting. So now that we did that, let me put it there. That way I have a bit more space for myself. So then, since we have Podman, and privileged port. Yeah. Okay, so I said yesterday I want to use the Podman, so that way I have a bit more safety. Don't expose everything fully. I'm not an expert with Podman though, so we'll go easy with this. So do we have the firewall rules? Setup. Okay. Oh yeah, true. Now I have a firewall on the VPS, not itself on the server. But yeah, we could install that. Okay. Okay. Oh, by the way, just want to double check how to use it again, because yeah, the syntax on some networking stuff is very not friendly. That's very interesting error, by the way. Okay, what does it even mean? Okay, I have some old version. Interesting. I guess I could, yeah, install the Snap. I'm not sure if I have Snap though. Do I have Snap installed? I mean, it's fine. I actually use quite a few packages in Snap. Very happy with that. It's definitely a bit more heavy, but yeah. Okay. So that's probably because I need to resync the thing and post the cache. Anyway, I guess you won't know, but that's fine. We had the thing. So then, okay. So now that we're done with that, we could just do a Podman compose up as a daemon. I don't have Podman compose. Oh yeah, true. I only have Podman. Yeah, those two are two different packages. Fair. Oh yeah, true. I have something running there. Are they? Nothing crazy, but I mean, also this thing doesn't work yet. um, yeah. Wait, what does it want to run exactly in terms of? Because if I check the Docker compose, we have um, yeah, I'm not sure what's the port 84. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's for the DNS part, but again, that might not be needed for me because I just want the ports to work, nothing else, honestly. Yeah, doesn't really make sense for me. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, why did the LCD installed? Okay, I have some icons now working. That's cool. Yeah, it wasn't the case yesterday. Yesterday I just had Jack. uh, okay, I have a few icons working. That's cool. That's a bro I need to tackle at some point. Yeah. Okay, I already have Kelly running, but I don't know why we went back on trying to get the thing running again with with some port, and I don't feel like it's needed. Because yeah, I don't know, HTTP 01 might not be needed. I mean, I also said true here, so that's probably not what I needed. I mean, it's also the fact that I'm not fully sure to understand the difference between those two. But I mean, this one is writing exposing port 80. I could probably do that. At the same time, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go through some kind of proxy. If I pick this one. So that's the thing. I mean, it's also just a DNS provider, but if I can just pass my, yeah, if I can verify by passing a TXT or something, yeah, that's very cool with me. Oh, by the way, okay. Okay, here I'm back. So, the thing cut. Why did it cut? Because I'm stupid and I tried the shortcut and should have not tried the shortcut. Yeah, I just wiped my session because apparently there's a shortcut on my keyboard that sends shutdown to a system, but apparently that thing on cache just straight kills it. Okay, interesting. Good thing to know. Definitely a nice thing to know. But hey, we're back, so it's fine. We just need to reopen all of our things. Brave. So this one gonna go on the third one. We're gonna open this. We're gonna probably need KeyPass at some point. And then here we'll do mumble. We'll open it code again. That's exactly the same one. Okay, cool. And here we'll do now, and we do sh public, and then here we'll need to type it again. Okay. No. Yes. Okay, we're back. Mumble. Okay. Okay. Probably not what I want. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm not super fond of having some porkpen API kind of key. Yeah, it's cool, but I'm not sure I like it. Yeah, I heard of it on a different project already where, yeah, well, it was just helpful to have something that helps with refreshing the DNS. Because, yeah, here either we have Porkben API key that gives the access to everything, or I write the text record every 2 or 3 months. And I want something kind of in between where, yeah, we could just forward a DNS record just to change the thing there. That sounds like a more sustainable thing to go with in terms of, I don't know, common sense. And otherwise, yeah, Let's Encrypt could connect to port 80, get file. I mean, I'm not sure if it's that much better. Over what are the benefits of having HTTP 01 over Acme DNS? Mm. Oh, okay, that's kind of the thing. Oh yeah, it's pretty much like the Google Analytics, where to prove that you're the admin, it requires you to have some file on your website so that way it checks, okay, yeah, you put the correct one and then it's fine. But I guess that in case of a DNS, the thing needs to happen more often, which in this case is cool because that means that we have it updated often and it's probably more secure. But again, I don't really see the difference because if it's proof of control, you could just have it once. But never mind, it's not analytics, it's DNS. So DNS, you need to refresh the certificate every few weeks, more months. Okay, I mean, and smaller attack surface than program DNS01. A box credential. Okay. Wait, extra container DNS server, namespace navigation. Yeah, I mean, okay, if it's the same amount of security, I mean, on one side you have server running, on the other you have DNS server. Is it that much of a difference, honestly? I mean, the maintenance is still gonna have, it's still gonna be exposed on port 80, not 53, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I could have something on 80 and have a route for that. That's not a huge big deal. But yeah, at the same time, I rather not mix my own website that's in Git with a few other things because I don't feel like it's needed or necessary even. So yeah, let's just skip it. Okay. I mean, okay, now we added some Acme DNS. Okay. So yeah, what's Acme DNS exactly? Wow. Yeah, I mean. Wait, I haven't started this one. Let me check. Okay, maybe not. Okay, yeah, I guess we use some kind of third-party DNS approach, which I don't know, doesn't sound like a problem to me. Probably fine. Okay, that's very fair. Yeah, one thing is just a listener that's gonna just be invoked and then we'll have it for some time. The other one is just next level. Okay, okay, fair. I mean, okay. Yeah, why would it disturb SSH connection? What? No, why? Wouldn't. Trust me, bro. By the way, no, let me check a few extra things. Okay, not sure what happened there. I'm like, hey, let's go with this. I'm like, hey, sure. Do you wanna do the thing? I'm like, so now, bro. Okay. Git ignore. What do we have here? This needs to go. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening. Claude is literally just like, hey, oh yeah, okay, sure, let's revert it. I'm like, nah, bro, exactly what I said. The opposite of, nah, let's stick to what we have. Because I don't feel like it's very critical. We could just have the server running and I could take it down if needed, and that's all. So very much no use case for having something running 24/7, honestly. Yeah. But yeah, I guess I will take this one and log in into Brookband, so that way. So that way we could have Google thing running with everything we need. Okay. So wait, yeah, I just kicked the thing, unfortunately. Yo, bring it back. I mean, I know it's... Where is it? Ah, it's this one. Okay, so this one... Here we go. That's the IP. And so I need to add an A record. Where are we going to put off voice keys works? And then the actual IP. Okay. Then a name server, which is a bit more confusing, but why do we need name server thingy? Ah, see, yeah. Okay, so that's done. I mean, naturally, we need to push it. So let me push it again. Then we'll need to have the key. Here we go. So now here we will have Acme DNS and everything new. So that means that we also have the env, and in this case that means that we can just go into the env itself. What? Okay, I can't do that. Interesting. What? Oh wow, it's some fancy stuff. Okay, let's keep it simple here. Wait, why can't I cut the thing? Oh yeah, okay, I'm doing some extra stuff. Wow, okay, man. Shortcuts, long time no used on Linux. Yeah, you get rusty quite quickly. Okay. So no need for a password. And then here we could just say test for now. And then this is good. This is good. This I don't really care. And this gonna be... Wait, this gonna be voice keys who works. Perfect. Good. Now that we're done with that, this is done. Oh, by the way. Okay, this is the part I don't have. Because I forgot the dot, and the dot gonna bite me in the booty. As usual. I mean, I don't fully understand what I'm doing here either, because it's name server, which for me is very unrelated. It's what? Usually that's more like the place that tells where your DNS records are located at. By the way, remind me, what is NS record again? Alright, so now we could finally reset. We could say yes. And then we could say rules again. Okay, let's double check that I still have access to it. I do. Great. Okay, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I get it, but that sounds like a lot of work. Overall, you say, okay, off voice gonna be delegated to the server, that's Acme server. Oh, no. Okay, it's because we don't want to get something tied to Porkpen, and at the same time having a server running on 80 that just does that is better. But here we take a round trip where we say, okay, we don't do that on server, we do that with the DNS server, and we don't use the one from Porkpen because we don't want to do anything dangerous, but in the end, it kind of defeats the purpose. Because, yeah, I mean, anyway, it's messy. I mean, not messy, but like, yeah. Maybe I'll circle back to it because currently I just don't have no. It's also the fact that yeah, it's also the fact that currently I don't have git remote -v. Oh yeah, it's not even a git. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because currently I don't have this as a repo, and I would like the thing to work from my end into the pushing to the other side. So I could actually download KissWorks and work on it and then do that there. So that way I only have one entry. I'll come back to it. Yeah, okay, makes sense. I don't like this. No, I'd rather have server and I'll have caddy route. Yeah, I don't really like this setup. It's like, yeah, very clumsy, very weird. And I understand why it's better to maybe have it as just one server that spins up there, but yeah, so far for now it's probably fine. Doesn't really matter. Not gonna impact me in any way. Yeah. What do we have? Mumble server, and then we run the compose. Can we pull it? Okay, that's probably on me because I probably forgot to update the thing. Yeah, that's on me. Okay. Yeah, that part I forgot. Why is it just prompting me for my password straight and doing that thing? I don't know fully. Yeah, cool. Yeah. I know that there are quite some commands to spin up and down the server. But yeah, I need to practice a bit more on my Docker skills. I mean, it's also like it's nice to do it in the terminal. I don't do that every day. So for basic things, it's fine. I'll probably just use Portainer or Podge or whatever we have there to have it working there in the same way. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, wait. Messy. Messy. Here we go. Yeah, because to go back to why I don't do it straight as I should, it's mostly because I think that it's not a prior there. It's more like a proof of concept I want to try, and then it's also more logistics for me. I have a lot of things to fix and set up, so probably focus on that after. Gee, then came back empty though. Yeah, actually here we have something running already. I guess, we have some DNS already by default. I don't really resolve anything on the server itself, so yeah. So if it's just getting some server that's coming from um, if it's just killing some server that's coming from Ubuntu, that's fine with me. I don't really care. I'm not sure why we don't just kill it. Okay, I take this. Okay, kitty. Term. Yeah, I would like it to stop it automatically. I mean, I know there's a replay, so delete when you restart. Oh no, I don't need to specify. Okay, it's just the whole container. It's taken down. Okay. I think looks quite good. I'm not sure we will have anything visually. Oh wait, I think I finally understood something. Never mind, I don't. Yeah, so this shouldn't do anything. Makes sense. Okay, that looks cool also because, yeah, I didn't really wanted to run that to not show the password, but that's cool. We have the ciphers, the users, we have no iServer. Everything here is done properly with all the settings we passed. Yeah, that's cool. All the settings there running well. Hey, it's looking good. Apparently it's not. Okay. I mean, to me it looks good. maybe I need to open some DNS ports on the firewall. That may be the issue here. Okay, here we go. So we still go with my remove in the end. Okay. Yeah, that's what I like to do because I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't bring it down. Also, sometimes you prune it, but it's still there. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah, wait. I'll need to have a few things here. I wonder how this one gonna work out. Downloads. Oh, wow. This runs quite nicely. Do I have stuff on it? Yeah, it doesn't really load though. Um, okay. Come back to this one. Yeah. Okay. So that's not a success because I need to log in into my VPS, and the thing is, I don't know why the thing doesn't really work. So I'll probably circle back to it. But yeah, that's probably the issue. I mean, in the end, I could also just do it with the port 80. Um, okay, it's talking about networks. That's also a part I have no clue in terms of Docker. I saw it a few times, but man, can I hit that when I wanted to self-host? What was it? Head scale? I was like, wow, I have no clue what it does. But sure. So I create the compose network memory, put man. Okay, sure. I don't have the funniest time doing that because I don't really understand what I'm doing. Um, and also, yeah, I have things that are not really set up uh, accordingly. So I'm doing things that are not even that useful, I guess. Yeah, I'm literally just a copy pasta machine of like, yeah, bro, just figure out the DNS thing. I'm not sure what's happening. I don't think I care that much about this part. Because I also don't know that this part won't be kept. So it's like, yeah, why even doing that? Okay. Okay, this path looks like it doesn't really work either. Because we have some ugly ass verbos there. Yeah, I'm also like falling asleep literally. Okay, how about I cancel all of this and I'll go back with something a bit better with port 80 and my thing done. Because yeah, this is being messy. I just need to tidy my Kissworks Git repo because it's still kinda with unstaged files. I mean uncommitted ones, and I need to tidy that thing. But then that means that yeah, I would have liked to have this quick and dirty. If I need to have one extra input, I can also do that, I guess. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's just a thing that changed. And then it's okay. That's also a valid thing. Okay, so let's go. And then here we can have down. We can have RM. The other one. Maybe I'll have another one. Okay, and then compose up. And then logs. Cool. Very cool. I know why I'm asking questions I know the answer for. Yeah, I love how it's literally written, simple and straightforward. Yet I'm like, yeah, bro, what do I need to do? Okay, so I need to put the domain. So it's a txt. Gonna be txt, then kisu works. And then the answer needs to be this string, I guess. Wait, where does it start? Where does it end exactly? Yeah, okay, fair. I think that's the one. Okay, let's see if we see something changing here. In the meantime, no, it doesn't work. Mm. Oh, wait, how do you take a screenshot? Anyway, it's getting late. I'll probably fix this. Yeah, I mean, I'm almost there with the certificate. That's cool. Yeah. But yeah, it sounds super interesting for nobody. So, yeah. And yeah, it doesn't really work that well, to be honest. So, yeah, probably stop here. Let me turn down the computer properly and chill for once. Yeah. All right. I guess that's pretty much it. Was that a productive way of doing things? Probably not. Did we achieve to have something working? Neither. But it's fine. Yeah, at least I don't know, we read a bit about Mumble and how annoying and tricky the DNS and the networking is. It's fine. Anyway, I'll probably see you on Friday, and hopefully then we'll have things working a bit better than today. All right, see ya.